Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get activation code in Aviator Predictor app. So first of all, go ahead to the official website of Aviator Predictor. After you search for, of course, Aviator Predictor, and then basically what you're going to look for, you're going to just go ahead and look for the right here. Let me scroll a bit down to show you better. You're going to find the Aviator Predictor by that person. Who's his name? I think his name is plus something. So let me go back right here, scroll a little bit down, 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 scroll a little bit down. Unfortunately, apparently he is not available here, right? So unfortunately for now, this feature is not available. This feature or topic is not available here, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.